Hello everyone. So today we are discussing about mutual funds, that what mutual fund is. As you all have seen in the TVs and radios that there is an ad saying that mutual fund sahi hai. So what does that mean, mutual fund sahi hai? Why not in equity investment sahi hai? Or why not FD sahi hai? Or why not debt instrument sahi hai? Why mutual fund is sahi hai? So we will discuss it and let us all know that why this ad is having so much impact in everyone's lives regarding the SIP plan or the mutual funds. So let's get started. So firstly, we have to know about what is mutual fund is all about, right? So what is a mutual fund? Mutual fund is a stock market product that gives you a diversification, low risk, and you can say the highest returns in the stock market. In past 21 years, mutual fund has given the return of 16%. 16% return has not been given by any of the share market product, or you can say LIC policy or FD or any bank savings. No. But the mutual funds are giving so much returns to the investors. That's why we are saying that mutual funds sahi hai and you have to invest in the mutual funds. So let us discuss that what is mutual fund is all about. So mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle that invests your money in a portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities. What is portfolio? Portfolio is a mix of investments that has been made by you. आपके पास 10,000 rupees है that you want to invest. Now, the way and the where and how much money you are investing is all included in your portfolio, right? So your portfolio has a mix of various kinds of investment, whether it is mutual funds, with the FD, equity shares, debt instruments, right? So these all collaborative called the portfolio. So a mutual fund is an investment that pools money from the investors and applies and invest in various kinds of funds. Let's take an example that I have 1 lakh rupees and I want to invest my money into stock market because I want the return, right? So firstly, what I think that stock market is all about shares, right? So I decided to invest my money into some kinds of equity shares. But if equity market falls down, then what happened to my fund? My fund value will also happen to be going down. But I can also invest in a mutual fund, right? So I can diversify my risk. See, mutual fund has a ratio like 70-30, 50-50, 60-40. What is this all ratio is about? These ratio tells you that you have to invest your money separately in different kinds of investments, different kinds of sectors, so that your risk will be diversified, right? If these 1 lakh rupees I can diversify, like some portion of this amount I will you can say invest in equity shares, some portion in debt market, and some portion of FD deposits, long term deposits, right? So if equity market falls down, my whole money will not lose its value, right? The a part of money that I invested in mutual fund that will go down naturally, but the remaining amount will have that returns and their values, and later on ongoing period I can also gain my return value. जो आपका पैसा डूबा है या आपने जो पैसा की वैल्यू लूज की है, ग्रेजुअली ओवर टाइम आप हो सकता है कि उसको भी रिकवर कर जाओ. सो दैट इज म्यूचुअल फंड इज ऑल अबाउट, राइट? तभी हम कहते हैं कि म्यूचुअल फंड सही है एंड यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन द म्यूचुअल फंड्स, right? So second point is saying that mutual fund give small and individual investors access to diversified, professionally managed portfolio at lower price. You can invest mutual funds with the starting of rupees 500 only. 500 is very nominal amount. Even if you ask a 10th or 11th class students, they are also able to invest the 500 rupees. So have you seen the movie One Idiot? It's a very good movie and must watch. This is all about this. That movie is all about a mutual fund. There is a small kid in that video. who invest his small money into systematic investment plans, and gradually at one day we will see that these 100, 200, 500 rupees that he's investing in simple SIP plans, and it's giving him a much more returns than the money idle in his piggy bank, right? So पिगी बैंक या सेविंग से अच्छा है कि हम उसको ऐसी जगह इन्वेस्ट करें where I get the maximum returns and lower risk, right? So the second point is saying कि जो small and individual investors होते हैं, इंडिया में almost middle class investors हैं, they do not have that much money to invest directly into big funds, right? Or buying quality equity shares. MRF का एक equity share is near about 70,000 rupees. So you and I cannot afford it, right? But we can afford it in the form of mutual funds. So mutual funds, there are various types of funds, various types of schemes, various types of plans where we can also invest in equity share, but in the form of mutual funds, so that we can get a lower risk and high value and high returns on our funds, right? So it's giving small and individual investor access to a diversified, as again I'm saying, कि mutual fund is a diversified system, right? कि we are investing in various types of investment products in there, and it is professionally managed portfolios. Professionally means if we get to CA, CS degree, CWA degree, a CFA degree, like that, if you want to become a fund manager in a mutual fund, then you have to get a professional degree, right? So it is a professionally managed fund by the fund managers who have expertise in mutual funds as well as industry knowledge, mutual funds knowledge, right? They are experienced, and they can offer you a better or guide you for better investment plans as compared to new you. New you means if you're not aware of the mutual fund industry or the market, like where to invest, right? So these fund managers giving you the advices and guidance where you want to invest your money, right? Okay. Moving on, mutual funds are divided into several kinds of categories representing the kinds of securities they invest in, their investment objectives, the types of return they seek. So mutual funds आपको बहुत सारी categories देता है, right? It's all about you. It's you can say that it is a customized investment as per your need, as per your objective, various goals, right? If you have short-term goals, you want to invest in for some time, not for the long time, you can do this, because the mutual fund has no entry and no exit barrier. You can anytime entry or anytime take exit from the mutual funds, right? So it provides a various kind of categories, various kinds of investment portfolios, various kinds of types and schemes where you can invest as per your objective, as per your risk tolerance, as per your affordability, as per your goals, right? Mutual fund charge annual charges, which is also called expense ratio, and in some cases commission, which can affect the overall return. Yes, it's right. Whenever you are going to a professional, whether it is CA, CS, mutual, your fund manager or your broker, they will always charge you for their work because they are professional. Like we are going to doctor, if we are seeing some doctor, so we are also liable to pay them, right? Because this is their profession. So like doctor's profession, fund management is also a profession. The fund advisor or the fund manager will charge you a phenomenal amount of commission for the services they are providing to you, right? So if you are paying some commission or some expense ratio, your returns will gradually lower down because you're also paying, right? You're paying something. तो आपका जो money है या fund है जो आप invest करना चाह रहे हो, उसका कुछ part आप payment भी कर रहे हो. So वो effect करेगा, but risk तो हर जगह है ना. इतना तो risk हमें लेना ही पड़ेगा ना, हर जगह risk है. So this is what the mutual fund is all about. Moving on to the next slide. We have various advantages of mutual funds, right? इधर से हमें समझ में आ जाएगा कि म्यूचुअल फंड क्यों सही. right? So the first point, which is called as liquidity. Now, what is liquidity? In general terms, liquidity is something that we can easily and fastly convert it into cash, right? If I have purchased some mutual funds and I want to sell them out because I need some money, right? So I can anytime entry or anytime exit from the mutual fund. So mutual fund provides you a liquidity where you can get your money as much you want, right? जब भी आपको जरूरत होगी, you can get your money from the mutual funds to by selling it, right? So next is diversification. As we discussed earlier, mutual fund has a diversified varieties. The synonym of the diversification is varietiness. Varietiness, that means mutual funds are providing you variety of the investment options, जिसमें आप अपनी तरह से इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो, and you can get the diversified portfolio. Next is expert management, because it is professional fund management. It is managed by the professional, the fund advisors, fund managers who have expertise, who have knowledge, who has experience, right? So it is managed by the expert management. Next is less cost for the bulk transaction. If you have made some bulk transaction for the mutual funds, like paying off your SIP, like monthly payment or lump sum payment one time, जिसको हम बोलते हैं, or annual payment. So there is no cost, or there is very low cost for the bulk transactions in compared to other funds, other products, other market instruments. So the mutual funds are less costlier than the other market products. Cost efficiency. म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर वेरी कॉस्ट एफिशिएंट, राइट? इसमें आपको जब हम सिक्योरिटी मार्केट में डील करते हैं, देन वी आल्सो हैव टू पे सम चार्जेस लाइक एसटीटी, जीएसटी एंड कमीशन, तो दोनों जगह है ही. सो म्यूचुअल फंड्स में आपको बहुत सारा जो कॉस्ट पेमेंट है ना, वो कॉस्ट पेमेंट आपको नहीं चुकाना होता है, सो दैट इट इज वेरी कॉस्ट एफिशिएंट फॉर यू, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज ऑटोमेटेड पेमेंट्स. यू नो व्हाट इज ऑटोमेटेड पेमेंट्स? जैसे हम ईएमआई पे करते हैं, बैंक से डायरेक्ट डेबिट हो जाती है, राइट? ऐसे ही हम म्यूचुअल फंड में भी अपनी ईएमआई पेमेंट्स और ऑटोमेटेड पेमेंट्स लगा सकते हैं, जिसमें आपको अगर मंथली पे करना है तो मंथली लग जाएगी, और क्वार्टरली, सेमी एनुअली, एनुअली, जैसा भी आपने प्लान लिया है, और वट एवर यू वॉन्ट्स टू डू, यू कैन मेक द ऑटोमेटेड पेमेंट्स डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम योर बैंक अकाउंट. You don't need to pay any check or cash. Yes, always remember, mutual funds does not accept any kind of cash. Yes, mutual fund does not accept cash, right? So the next is suit your financial objectives or your financial goals. आपके जो भी financial goals हैं या जो भी objective हैं, उस accordingly आपको perfect suit करता है, right? ये हम आगे देखेंगे कैसे. Quick and painless process. इट्स वेरी क्विक एंड पेनलेस. पेनलेस, उसमें कुछ पेन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड क्विक, जब भी आपका म्यूचुअल फंड करने का मन हो, और इफ यू वांट टू डू अ सर्टेन अमाउंट इन्वेस्टेड, गेट टू बी इन्वेस्टेड इन अ म्यूचुअल फंड, you can make it very quick by the automated payments and go to fund manager, and he will start your SIP. And AI का जमाना है, सब कुछ AI है, तो it's very quick and very painless. You can understand that कि यहाँ पे कुछ डिजिटल नहीं है, right? Next is tax efficiency. Tax efficiency means mutual funds always, there are certain kinds of mutual funds who are tax efficient. That means who provide you tax benefits. Yes, mainly the salaried person who falls into an income tax slab, they go for a mutual fund SIP because they provide them the tax efficient, their tax deductions. ATC, ATC, CD. So basically, they are very ELSS, very kind of ELSS schemes which are tax free, right? तो जो रिटर्न्स होता है उसमें आपको कोई भी टैक्स पे करने की जरूरत नहीं. इजंट इट वेरी ऑसम कि हम एक अपना पैसा लगा रहे हैं, उसमें रिटर्न्स मिल रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो टैक्स फ्री, राइट? Next is invest in smaller denomination. As we discussed earlier, the minimum amount investing in a mutual fund is 500 rupees only. So starting from 500 rupees, you can go up to any, rupees, or any amount you want to be invested. So mutual fund is very, affordable, right? We can say that it is very affordable for a person for the middle class person, because see, India is all about middle class, right? इंडिया में मिडिल क्लास फैमिलीज बहुत हैं जो कि बहुत हाई अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकती हैं. So mutual fund is something that is made for each and every category, right? So you can invest in a smaller denomination in the mutual funds also. Next is safety. Safety is very important because every market product has some kind of risk. You know that, right? So safety concerns are there. So mutual fund falls under the regulatory framework of Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI, in which there is a many kinds of complaint SEBI scores, which is complaint system, and insider trading acts, unfair trading security of securities acts, or investment protection fund, where you can mark your claims, right? If you have any, if you're going through any fraud in the securities market. So there are many rules and regulations comes with in which mutual funds are coming. So you don't have to scare about the safety, about the risk that I have that much of risk in investing in mutual funds and all. तो आप उसमें आपको safety भी इसमें provide होती है. You can act, you can take the legal proceedings on the mutual funds, right? Next is systematic or one-time investment. Mutual funds is a very systematic plan, and it provides you one-time investment also. That means monthly, if you want to go monthly system or quarterly system, 6 monthly, annually, or if you want to invest one-time payment, you can make it through the mutual funds, you can invest it, right? So mutual funds are like very customized, very relaxing type of funds, which provides you guaranteed, no, not guaranteed, but yes, more returns than the security market, more returns. Moving on to the next slide, we are here in which we will discuss that how to invest in mutual funds. म्यूचुअल फंड में आप कैसे इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो आपको अपने माइंड में रखने पड़ेंगे, या जिनके ऊपर आपको एनालिसिस करना पड़ेगा, सो दैट यू कैन चूज द राइट प्रोडक्ट फॉर योर सेल्फ, राइट? The first point is very important. Identify your purpose for investment. You have to identify that what is your purpose for the mutual fund investment, right? That means you have to prepare some financial goals. The goals can be short term, long term, and medium term. Like I want to purchase a house, right? If I want to purchase a house, it must be a long term goal, right? You can invest accordingly in the mutual funds that you want to purchase a house, and that's why I want to invest in the mutual funds. So there are various certain kinds of funds where I can invest in, right? Or I want to purchase a fancy car, or I want to study abroad, right? There are certain financial goals that we are making in our day-to-day life. So mutual funds are there to meet all the expectation, all the financial goals, because they have a various loaded options for you to invest in, right? Next is risk factors. There is a risk appetite, also known as riskometer. There are 5 types of risk in the mutual funds, right? Started from the high risk, moderately high, moderate, moderately low, and low risk. There are 5 types of risk under the riskometer in the mutual funds. As you see in a chart, we can see there is a one line going for the risk low to high and another line going for the returns low to high. So at very lowest, there is a debt funds who are at very low risk but give you very low returns. हमने वो सुना है ना, no risk, no gain. So this is all about, right? And if we are going high, there are equity funds who are in very high risk but give you higher returns. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गया रिस्कोमीटर. And what about risk appetite? Risk appetite means your risk tolerance power, how much risk you are willing to take, right? If if I can say that I am earning medium type, मतलब आई एम नॉट अर्निंग वेरी मच, और दैट कि मुझे तो पैसा कहीं भी लगा दो मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. We are not like that, right? So we have certain kinds of mindsets and a risk appetite कि हाँ इतना रिस्क मैं ले सकता हूँ या इतना रिस्क मैं ले सकती हूँ, इसके बाद I can go beyond that, right? तो आपकी जो रिस्क एपेटाइट है उसके वो भी आपका म्यूचुअल फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट में बहुत ज्यादा काम करती है. यू कैन टेक द रिस्क एंड यू कैन गेन द प्रॉफिट्स. Know about the available schemes. Mutual funds are flooded with options, flooded really. All the schemes are customized and made for the investor. But whenever you are stepping into investing in mutual funds, you have to align some points in your mind so that with your funds, so that you can invest perfectly and make your portfolio with higher returns, right? The first point is investment objectives, which we have already discussed, that we have to make some kind of investments objectives, right? Second is risk appetite. That is also discussed earlier, that you have certain kind of risk appetite or risk tolerance, जिसके according ही आप mutual fund में invest करते हो. Third is affordability. What does affordability means? Take an example that I have purchased a mutual fund unit of mutual funds in which I have made online payments or automated payments of 5,000 rupees monthly, right? जब मुझे करना था तो मैंने कर दिया 5,000 rupees. तब I was thinking कि yes, I can pay that 5,000 is not a big amount. बस going on, कुछ टाइम बाद मुझे थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी होने लगी 5,000 रुपीज अपने बैंक अकाउंट से एकदम से निकलवाने में, राइट? सो वो चीज एक आपको देखनी पड़ेगी दैट इफ यू कैन अफोर्ड दिस, राइट? वैसे तो 500 रुपीज से शुरू है, बट इफ योर इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव इज बाइंग द हाउस लेटर ऑन, you cannot invest 500 rupees only for buying the house for the long term, right? If you want something big, you have to invest something big, right? अगर मैं इसको 5,000 से 3,000 करूं, yes, I can afford, और 1,000 तो 100% I can afford, right? So there is a affordability that how much you can afford to invest in the mutual funds. So you have to decide that how much money I should afford or I will afford to invest in the mutual funds and complete my investment objectives basically. Okay. Third, see what suits you best. आपको क्या सूट करता है, क्या बेस्ट है ऑप्शन आपके लिए. म्यूचुअल फंड में आपको बहुत तरह के ऑप्शन मिलेंगे. यू हैव टू सी what suits your objectives best, what suits you best. Like my personal opinion, I am very much fond of banking industry, right? Because I was a banker, I'm ex banker. तो मुझे उस बैंकिंग के ऊपर ना आई हैव ट्रस्ट कि आई हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन बैंकिंग सेक्टर, राइट? बैंकिंग सेक्टर की बात करें तो मुझे ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री बहुत अच्छी लगती है, बिकॉज ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री जहाँ पे रेगुलर ग्रोथ होती रहती है, कुछ ना कुछ नया मार्केट में आता रहता है, राइट? तो it's your turn to see what suits you best, where you want to invest or where you think you can generate the maximum profits. So you have to decide that. Seek the help of financial advisor. If you don't have your much knowledge about the market, or if you're new to the market, so it is my advice also that you have to seek the help of financial advisor, because financial advisor, again, they have expertise, they have experience, so they can guide you best. If you tell them all the things that this is my objective, investment objective, this much risk I want to take and this much money I can afford, they will this is my preferences that I want to invest in IT sector or pharma sector, so they will give you the best advice and they will invest your money in the best mutual fund types or mutual fund schemes, right? And in the end, it is your money. Yes, it is your money, and you need to ensure that it is used to fetch maximum returns. Yes. Do not attract by the market rumors. Do not attract by any fund advise you by a friend. Yes, always take financial advice, always look for the market, always try to read the market, because it is the end, it's your money. No one is going to compensate you for your money, right? So you have to use your brain and use your all the expertise and all the analysis before investing into mutual funds. Any questions, any doubts, you can take it to me later on. And इसके बाद का topic we will discuss in the next session. So, thank you so much for joining this session. Thank you.